Okay, here's our new one.
It's called Helmet Cam, without using a helmet. I am the host, Dante Ivan. Our film crew is named Skateboarders.
Yeah, that's a cool name.
I have a medieval war weapon.
Hey, is that Blake or Jade or whatever his name is? Is it Jake?
Okay, wait. Randy, you have to sit on the very, like, crisscross applesauce so I can actually stand up.
Okay.
Next time, Maddie.
Bye, Blake, Jake, Thompson, Jefferson.
My name's Jenna.
Jenna Monana. Well, we're slowing down. What are you doing?
How about I film?
Fine, get it.